I'm Jim. I'm a gardener here at the Mendocino Coast Botanical Gardens, and we're going to talk today about rhododendrons in our collection here. And rhododendrons grow really well here at the Botanical Gardens. Our climate is just perfect for them. Not too cold and not too hot, just right. So Ernie Schaefer, who was the founder of the Botanical Gardens here, he started working the land in 1961. Ernest and Betty Schaefer, some of the first plants that they planted were rhododendrons. So some of our plants are 60 years old here. We have some which are nearing 40 feet in diameter. There's quite a few of them which are 30 feet anyhow. And many of them are 25 to 30 feet tall. So there's 47 acres here at Botanical Gardens, and we have over 1,000 rhododendron plants, and that includes over 200 species or cultivars. Rhododendrons, there are many different kinds, and they all have their own time to bloom. Some of them will begin blooming in November or December, but generally, most of them are a springtime thing, and the height of the rhododendron bloom here in Fort Bragg is around May the 1st. And growing rhododendrons in the Fort Bragg area is a very important part of our people's culture. And they were inspired first by Dr. Paul Bowman, who started growing rhododendrons here in the 1920s. John Drucker came along afterwards, and he had a commercial rhododendron nursery. He inspired many other people. At one time, there was 19 or 20 different rhododendron nurseries selling plants in our area. We've got a very active rhododendron society in town, and every year they put on a giant rhododendron show. The plants really do well here, and we just love them.